section we will see the characteristics of expert system. Now as we know that the growth of expert system is continuing for several years and it is giving a very good output because users are getting answers for their query as it is the interactive system, and with the continuous growth the new applications are emerging in the expert system. This expert system actually acts as an interactive system which responds to the questions, which clarifies the doubts of the users, give them some recommendations, helps them for decision making, etc. So every system provides expert advice, that is, every expert system is responsible for providing the expert advice and guidance so that the user can have the particular knowledge about the query. So which are the characteristics of the expert system? So high level performance. The system must be capable of responding at a level of competency equal to or better than the expert system in the field. Means the system that we are using should be capable enough that whatever query is asked by the particular user, the competent answer should be received at the end. The quality of advice given by the system should be in high level integrity and the performance ratio should be always high. Then the second one is the domain specificity. The expert systems are typically very much domain specific. Means if for example the diagnostic expert system for troubleshooting computers must actually perform the necessary data manipulation as human can do. So the developer of such system must limit his or her scope of the system to what is needed to solve that particular target problem. The special tools or languages are needed to accomplish the objective of this system. Then the good reliability. The expert system must be as reliable as the human expert. The next characteristic is understandable. The system should be understandable, that is, the system should be able to explain the steps of reasoning while executing. Means it should have an explanation capability similar to the reasoning ability of the human experts. Then the adequate response time. The system should be designed in such a way that it is able to perform within a small amount of time, comparable to or better than the time taken by the human expert to reach at a decision point. Means whatever query is asked by the user, the system should be able to answer the query in minimum amount of time. Then comes the usage of symbolic representation. Expert system, you must use the symbolic representation for knowledge, that is the rules, network or frame, etc., and then perform their inference through symbolic computation, which are closely we can say resemble manipulations of the natural language. Linked with meta knowledge, expert system often reason with meta knowledge. Means the reason, they should have the reason with knowledge about themselves. They should have their knowledge limits and capabilities. And the use of meta knowledge is interactive and simple for various data representations. So it should be linked with the meta knowledge. Expertise knowledge. Real experts not only produce good solutions, but they find the solution very quickly. So the expert system must be skillful in applying its own knowledge to produce the solutions efficiently and effectively by using the intelligence human experts. The next one is the justified reasoning. This allows the users to ask the expert system to justify the solution or advice. Means whatever expert system is guiding, they should have the reason for that. So this justified reasoning allows the user to ask or justify the particular answer given by the system. Normally, expert systems justify their answers by explaining their reasoning. If a system is rule-based system, then it provides the user all the rules and facts it has used to find out the particular answer. Explaining capability. Expert systems are capable enough of explaining how the particular conclusion is reached and why requested information is needed during the consultation. And why it is important? Because it gives the user a chance to access and understand the reasoning ability. And because of that, the user's confidence in the system generally increased. Special programming languages. So, expert systems are typically written in special programming languages, and generally they are built or written in the languages like Lisp, Prolog. And the major advantage of these languages are, as compared to conventional programming languages, these are simple. Then the memory management capabilities are high in this, as well as they are efficient mix of integer and real variables. Extensive data manipulation routines we can use. Tagged memory architecture is there. Efficient search procedures are there. That's why these special programming languages are used. So this is all about the expert system and its characteristics. In our next section, we will see the components of expert system. Thank you.